Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Okay, so I'm really excited. Today is Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance. Now, the Ladies of Elegance is Amethyst Adventures, Courtney, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's Anna, and that is me. So I'm going to be creating a dining experience for two, very romantic, and it's all about bees, guys. I'm going to be linking the hosts, the Ladies of Elegance, down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be listing the playlist. So make sure full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody else created their tablescape. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me here for a while or even from the very beginning, I want you to know how much I appreciate you and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Remember, like in all collaborations, we have to use YouTube etiquette. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you to some music and I'll see you at the end, guys. So we go ahead and we light some candles, make it nice and cozy, and we are almost ready for the reveal. So now the lantern in the background, I purchased that at Home Goods at a reduced price. Then the vases alongside of it were DIY. And those vases I purchased originally from the Dollar Tree. Now the bee vase that you see here along with the florals, that was a DIY. The florals came from the Dollar Tree. Now, the tablecloth was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army, and so was the black runner I have on the table. The chargers came from the Dollar Tree. The plates, the bee plates, came from Dollar General. The cloth napkins came from the Goodwill. And then I placed some white cloth doilies around them. And then the ties, they also came from the Dollar Tree, and I call those a napkin dress. Then we placed some candy along the tables, and those little accent candles that I lit, those came from the Dollar Tree. So overall, I think this is an absolutely gorgeous tablescape, and I hope that you agree. Now, I did forget to mention that yellow scarf that I placed right over the lantern, and that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. So I think today this tablescape was a total success. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you next Tuesday on Tablescape Tuesdays. Have an amazing day, guys.